Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Johan Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing one of my oldest units. One of my favorites. One of the crowns of my collections. The Lehui Star AUG. If it's not obvious, the OG is my favorite unit. I have 5, 6, 7, around 7 Airsoft OGs and 1, 2, 3 Gel Blast, 4 Gel Blaster OGs from the kids, medyo kids, entry level, yes, probably entry level, and to the high end Sijun style AUG, but that's for a different video. I love this since the Counter-Strike days, and it's one of my first loves. Without further ado, let's get into the review. First, the quality. It is an all nylon construction. This is my group, the Brotherhood of OG. It has nylon rails, nylon front, that's not handguard, front receiver. This is a barrel that I printed because the inner barrel is only until here, so it's pointless to have it until here, the original Steyr OG length. So I made it into a carbine. Yes, carbine length. And I have a red and green red dot illumination scope that has this doesn't have magnification. No, it doesn't have magnification. It's a red dot scope. It's not included in the package. And a folding handguard. This unit is very accurate to the airsoft barrel. And see, mags, the very rare mags. And since this is a bullpup, I'm quite used to it. It has a magazine prime here. Some say it's a little bit awkward, but since this is a bullpup, I can do left and right easily. It's ambidextrous, and I can hold it easily, still hitting the buttstock. Yeah. Trades. Nothing. No trades whatsoever. On the Airsoft version, there should have trades somewhere around here. But yeah. Features. This unit ABS clear gearbox, so very limited upgrades especially when it comes to springs. If I'm not mistaken, it uses a Gen 8 nozzle. I do not remember anymore. This one has a built-in MOSFET that has full auto, tri-burst, and semi, and safe. This originally has a 2-stage trigger. So if you press it half, that's semi, and if you pull it hard, it becomes full auto. But Lehui did not incorporate it because it will require 2 triggers. This uses somewhat a version 3 gearbox. Even though it's clear, it's very limited. I think this is a copy of an Airsoft version. I don't know which one. Could be a JG copy. Could be. because it has a nylon, a metal uh, front handguard release, not front, barrel release. In the in the real variant, you can hold, twist, and you can change the barrel. Here in the Gel Blaster variant, you can still do that, but why? I don't know if why you want to do that. This can be split using this retaining pin. First, let's remove the magazine. Gels will fall off. Nothing fall off. Split. And ta-da! So it's very portable. It's similar to the Airsoft variant. Very similar. Even the T-piece is cute. See? Ta-da! Since this is an bullpup, even though the overall length is short, the barrel length is long. If I would remember where I place my... Oh, here it is. It is 400, almost 430 millimeters, almost AK length. And this is a shorty already. Generally, it's 509 millimeter length, but again, this is a gel blaster, and if you do it that too long, you will have problems with the barrel cylinder ratio. It will be not enough. So it's fine using this length. Although it's a plastic barrel, and I made a mistake. Even though it's a plastic barrel, it's acceptable. It's the typical Lehui. Even though I can change the barrel, it's not a priority. Because plastic and metal barrels will not have much difference as long as you mitigate the vibrations in the inner barrel. So you need to pull it down, lock, and then lock. And it has a... It's not as satisfying when, like the HK slap, but it's fine. Weight, this is very light. Since it's all nylon and plastic, very light. BB capacity, it's one of the advantages. It's too small. So, which also negates the options when it comes to upgrades. Because of this metal thing. I think that should be removed. So it will be, is it metal? Oh yes, unfortunately it is metal. And why I love the OGs, press, remove this, and the gearbox is there. So if you want to do some changes to it, it's already there. Very easy. It's similar to the Airsoft version of the Star OG. Even much easier than the Airsoft version. Which is also a cons if you're going to upgrade it. Because if the spring is too heavy, the gearbox will float. It might break the retaining tabs. Well, in this case, since this is metal and not bolted, but with a good positions on the receiver, it will not easily break. Upgrades. This uses a standard version 3 parts. For the gears, the tappet, I do not remember. It is upgradable to a certain extent, but ABS gearbox, do not overuse. Do not max it out. You don't want to break this because there's no parts. Magazine capacity is more or less same as the Gen 8, and it looks really cool. And as I said earlier, it's very modular. It's easy to remove the base pad, and you can clean it. And I have all gels. Very easy. I love this unit. And my gels is a little bit too small for this one. That's why it's not feeding well. Eh. FPS, this is all stock. It goes up 180 to 170. But, one time. I have no more anymore. It can easily hit the 10 meters mark that I had. Although I have to increase it. My gels that I'm using is not growing well. So I have to not overuse, overextend the hop up just to let it hit the hop mechanism and at the range. It does have that tendency to lock. See? I don't know if it's a safety feature of the MOSFET. So you cannot do full burst. See? It stops. I love it. Price! This doesn't exist anymore as far as I know. Based from what my friends told me, it is already in the production from Lehui. So this is rare. Really rare. Before I got 7,000 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. Again, from my very good friend, Hydroblasters ML. This is, I think, my second unit from them. I really love this one. This is my baby. Anywho, I'm really biased regarding Stair Ogs. I love them. It's bullpup. And I wish more people will love them too. So Lehui will make an upgraded version. Lehui, if you're listening. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!